Do you have any fears? About the state of the world? The market, your future, your work, your love? I do not condemn you for having them. But I do invite you to rise, not through action, but through assumption. For the outer world is only a mirror. You do not fix a mirror by polishing the surface. You fix it by adjusting what stands before it. Beneath all fears is your state of being. That is what determines your fate. That is the silent architect shaping every event you encounter. So I ask you now, in stillness, will you step into the power that has never left you? Are you ready to embrace the true power that lies within you? Each morning before the world begins to move, you are given a sacred opportunity, the chance to choose who you are, to choose your state. Begin your day not with worry, but with awareness. Breathe deeply, and in that breath, feel the eternal stillness that never changes, no matter what the outer world appears to be. You are not a victim of what is. You are the cause of what will be. Are you ready to embrace the true power that lies within you? Imagine now stepping into the day, not as someone who is waiting for stability, but as the embodiment of it. You are not hoping to be safe. You are assuming you already are. You are not chasing abundance. You are living as one who has already received it. The outer world does not lead, it follows. Your thoughts, your feelings, your inner conversations. These are the blueprint. The world simply builds around the foundation you lay within. As you move through your day, let this inner knowing become your anchor. When fear rises, pause. Close your eyes, even if just for a moment, and return to the truth. Repeat after me. I am stable. I am provided for. All things work in my favor. You are not here to react. You are here to create, to imagine, and to give life to what you assume to be true. Every situation is neutral until you assign it meaning. So when a challenge appears, ask yourself not, what do I do, but who am I being in this moment? Let stability be your answer. When a decision needs to be made about your work, your finances, your relationships, allow yourself to feel first before you act. Feel what it's like to know, deep in your bones, that everything is working out in your favor. This feeling is not imaginary. It is formative. It is substance. As you walk through conversations, meetings, or quiet moments alone, hold this posture of inner certainty. Watch how people respond to you, how the energy shifts when you stand in the assumption of peace and abundance. The world begins to speak back to you in kind, not because you forced it, but because you tuned yourself to a new frequency. The chaos of the world begins to blur as your internal state becomes clearer. You are no longer blown by the winds of circumstance. You are the stillness in the storm. And even when storms do come, as they do in this life, they are not here to shake you. They are here to remind you of who you truly are. When fear knocks, answer it with faith. When doubt whispers, reply with your silent knowing, I have already received what I've asked for. Throughout the day, return again and again to this question. How would I feel if I already had what I desire? Not what would I say, not what would I do, but how would I feel? Feel that now. This is your superpower, not force, not control, but assumption. And when night approaches, do not carry the worries of the day into sleep. Let them dissolve. Before you drift off, enter the sacred space of the state, akin to sleep, that delicate border between wakefulness and dream. Here, your conscious mind softens, and the subconscious becomes receptive. In that quiet, choose one simple scene that implies your desire has already been fulfilled. Play it in your mind, like a short film. Make it vivid, but do not strain. Let it feel like memory. Let it feel natural. Feel the joy, the relief, the peace. Let that be the last impression you carry as you surrender to sleep. This one practice, repeated with intention, will do more for your life than years of effort. It is not the doing that creates, it is the being. And during your waking hours, protect your mental diet. Be selective with your attention. Do not consume fear. Do not entertain doubt. Speak to yourself as the one who has already arrived. Affirm gently but firmly, I am stable. I am abundant. Everything unfolds for my highest good. Let these be the inner words you return to, especially in moments of uncertainty. Let them wash over the old assumptions until they dissolve completely. As the days pass, you will notice something strange and beautiful. The world begins to reorganize itself around your inner transformation. What once felt difficult now flows. What once triggered you now passes like a breeze. This is not coincidence. This is creation. You are not passive in this life. You are not waiting for things to get better. You are not hoping for signs. You are the cause. You are the center. You are the creator. Next morning, rise with this knowing. Feel the light on your skin and let it remind you. A new day, a new assumption, a new reality. Every moment is a chance to return to the truth of who you are becoming. When doubt arises, when fear attempts to return, simply say, I do not accept that as my truth. I have already chosen stability. And with every breath, every thought, you are building the world you'll soon walk into. Let that vision be clear. See yourself walking with ease. See yourself surrounded by supportive people. See opportunities flowing with no resistance. Let this not be fantasy. Let it be recognition. You are only remembering what is already yours. Now, speak it once more with calm conviction. I am stable. This is not a plea. This is not wishful thinking. It is a declaration. It is identity. It is law. And as you carry this truth within you, the world will have no choice but to echo it. Because the world is yourself, pushed out. So walk gently, speak kindly, think deliberately, and trust the silent power that moves through you, for it is the very essence of creation. You are the author. You are the seed. You are the light. Let today be the day you live like it's already done. Let this be your new way of being, not just in thought, but in breath, word, and step. You are no longer becoming. You already are. If my wish were already fulfilled, how would I feel right now? Not what would I do, not who would I call, not how would I celebrate, but how would I feel? That feeling is the gateway. That feeling is the seed. Once you feel the inner security of the fulfilled desire, the world will bend to reflect it. It has no choice. So pause, breathe, and imagine this. What if everything you needed was already provided for? What if the solution was already at hand? What if all you had to do was feel it? Not force it, not beg for it, but gently, faithfully assume it. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax. Let your breath slow. Say silently in your heart, I am stable. I am safe. I am supported. I am abundant. And now that feeling, hold it, not with tension, but with reverence. This is your new home. This is the version of you that calls stability normal. Live from that place. Let others chase. Let others react. You will no longer play that game. You have changed your concept of self, and so the world must follow. Say it with me. I am stable. Let that be your decree. Let that be your foundation, and watch the world shift to match it.